Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Now guys, as you can already tell from the title of this video, today I want to just come on here so that I can speak to you about my home and garden goals for the year. Now sometime last year when I decided to revamp the channel again, I included a home and garden segment here for the channel because I felt it necessary to include all aspects of my life here on the channel, because we do a lot of gardening, I do a lot of cooking, and I love food, as you all may already know, as a known fact about me. So I really wanted to include that segment here on the channel. But last year I did not get to put out as much content in that particular segment as I would have liked. There is so much content that I would have loved to share with you all, and I really did not get to do it. So going into 2020, I am hoping that there is so much more that I can share with you all, especially as it relates to all the plants and all the crops that we have here in the garden. Now, as a lot of you may already know, we always try to encourage growing what we eat and eating what we grow. And if you have followed my channel for a while, you would have seen a number of the crops that we have here in our garden that we really love, we enjoy, we grow so that we can eat. And 2019 saw me introducing you all to a lot of those crops, but what I would have loved to do is show you all what goes on after we take them from the tree or after we do the planting. And that is one of the things that I want to include going into 2020. I want to show you all more than just how we plant the crops that we have, more than how we go about taking care of the plants that we grow. I want to show you all how we go about preparing it for eating. I want to show you all how we go about putting them to ripen. I want to show you all the different benefits of the different crops that we grow. And this here you will see in a later video. This is just some of the papaya that we have, and it holds so much benefits, not just for our bodies, but for our skin and our hair. So I want to be able to share with you all so much more than just how we grow everything. I want to share with you all the beauty of my home, the lushness of the land around me, and the abundance of my garden. There is so much that I have in store for you all for our home and garden segment for 2020, so you can stay tuned for that and lots more. And finally, I want to bring you all into my kitchen. Now, it is a known fact about me that I love food. I love food and I love cooking. I tried doing a few recipes and sharing one or two little cooking things with you all last year, but going into 2020, I am going to try my best to do more of that. I do a lot of cooking, so it won't be anything different for me. The only thing that is going to be difficult is actually taking up the camera to do a recording, because when I cook, I don't always think of turning on a camera. So hopefully going into 2020, I will accomplish sharing more of my cooking and more of my recipes with you all, so you all can get a feel of how we do things here in the Caribbean and how we add a little spice here and there to make it our own. But guys, this was it for my home and garden goals for 2020. I am really hoping that you stick around with me throughout the year so that you can see and get to appreciate all the things that we have to share as it relates to our home and our garden. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!